How to restore real-time protection on your Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to view your real-time protection settings, you just have to tap on the search bar and search for virus and threat protection. Once you open the system settings, you will see the option of virus and threat protection settings. Tap on manage settings. Here is the option for real-time protection. You can turn off and on this option from here. However, if this is disabled, you have to open Registry Editor. You can search it via the search bar and then a new tab will open. Now you have to click on HKey Local Machine folder, then go to Software. Under Software, scroll down until you find Policies. Under Policies, search for Microsoft. Now you will see the folder Windows Defender. Tap on it. If you have removed or disabled your real-time protection, you will see additional folder which says so. After tapping on that folder, on the right side, you will see a dword bit file which says Disable Real-Time Protection. So you just have to right-click on it and then delete it. Once you have deleted, you can close the registry editor and then refresh or restart the device. Now you can go back to the virus and threat protection and check if the restoration of the real-time protection has been done or not. So that was it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.